Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I am actually going to have a little helper. My grandson wanted a cup for the 4th of July, so this is what we came up with. So I'm starting with a 12-ounce curved tumbler from the Stainless Depot. They had these on sale, like getting rid of them, so I just bought a bunch of them. And it's a duo, comes with 2 lids. Absolutely perfect for kids. And I had taken it outside to spray paint.
So this is my cup for the July 4th. And we're gonna put the coolest stuff on it. So we are making this video so you know how to make it. Okay, to put some glitter on first.
We gotta put glue on first.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Put some glue on. You like this glitter? They are good glitters.
We're only putting a little on at a time, dude.
And I'm also gonna show you some.
Oh, no. Okay, so we want on the blue.
Yes. We want it on blue. And then we.
Hang on.
Can I sprinkle some on?
Yeah. Don't use them all. Don't use them all. Quick. I think that's way too many right there.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can't spread these out, okay?
Yeah, we can.
There we go. That's better. No, I got... Okay, we need to put some glue on this side too. Oh, it already has stars on it.
And then we stab it. And then we go banana. Stop.
All right, here, hold this a minute and don't move it, okay?
Fine. Why?
Because I'm going to get these stars up.
You're going to put the stars on? How? Banana.
No.
Why can't I not sew in it?
Put on. Now you can put stars on this side. Sprinkle them.
This is what we used for the cup.
An awful lot of stars, just...
Over our stars, this thick guy.
No. We're going to let that dry, probably overnight, because it's going to take a couple hours for this glue to dry. Okay? After 2 coats of epoxy, this is what we have.
It on?
Because the red light will show you it's recording.
This is the video. Look at the cup. We are making the cup and our stickers are already ready.
Well, wait a minute. We're not ready for them yet. We got to clean up the rim.
We have to clean up the rim and I'm going to show you the stickers.
In a minute, buddy. So we're going to stand down so you can just see.
This is a cool pen. I don't know where this came from.
Hang on. You're standing down way too much, but that's okay. It's your cup. Hang on, let me see how much more we got.
Can I stab it?
Oh. Pulled off some of the paint. Okay, we're done with the sanding. We need to clean it.
And then all we're going to do is this.
Give me the stickers.
We're going to show you the stickers. There's the stickers. You like them?
And he picked this one out, and he picked that one out.
The fox.
We love foxes and cactuses.
And cool.
Okay, so which one do you want on this side?
Cactus.
You want the cactus on this side?
Yeah. There goes the cacti boy.
Okay.
Those are stickers for cups. Whenever they get on cup, they're stuck on cups. You can't take them off.
Dang it.
You got one in the cup.
No, I'm not.
I don't care. I don't care.
There we go. Because this is kind of curved, so it's kind of gonna go on wonky.
Now, there's the cup. Do you like it? Only one over.
Look, and you can even see the little prickly things from the cactus.
Yeah.
How cool is that? Okay, so then you want this one on this side?
Yes.
Do you want your name on this too?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can put the fox up here and your name down here, or the fox down here and your name up there.
We put the fox in the middle of my name on the blue.
Oh, you want your name to say like Jack?
Yeah, on the blue.
Okay.
So, do you want to see what I have?
No.
Guys.
Alright, so I need to cut out your name. What?
Guitar.
It's a guitar, yes. What color do you want your name? White? So we decide on what we wanted to do, and then I went and cut out his name. He ended up deciding on white with red stripes. And so here is the white. I just did a basic font. That's what he chose. And I'm going to place that up and down on the blue side. And he was trying to be helpful with measuring, which I didn't need. So, yeah. And of course, I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. And here are the red stripes. I just used the same font and cut out lines so that we can do that. So I am going to seal this with the CC DIY quick coat, and this is what we have. But first, we need to clean this cup. The inside is absolutely bad. So I'm going to use 100% acetone and going to clean the inside of the cup. And it comes off super easily. And then put the lid on. And look how stinking cute this is. Absolutely perfect for little kids. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Jack, for your help. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.